Hi everyone, welcome back to algebra.com. How are you everybody? Yes, today I'm going to do quite same question before that is writing quadratic equation, trinomial, but this time is a little bit more difficult than before because we have minus here, negative constant here. And also it is not an x squared, it's a 6x squared, which is quite similar to the one that had before it, but it is a little more trickier. So we are going to use the same method, the same strategy. That is my famous cross figure. Okay, the famous game cross figure. Okay, what we have to do first is as usual, we have to decide what are the best combinations that we make up 6 when we turn here, okay, and we make up 10 when we turn on the right side. At the same time, when we plus the sum of the both crossing, it becomes positive 11. That is a good what we call it. Estimation is quite estimation, judgment, good judgment, balancing, all those things. So let us start with maybe 3 times 2, right? 3 times 2, 3x, 2x. And we try to juggle with maybe 5, yeah? 5 here times 2 which is 10. And see what the answer looks like. This is going to be positive. And there must be a negative and a positive. Negative and positive. To come up with a negative here, you should put one positive, one negative, or reverse. Okay? Or reverse. So reverse meaning that minus 5, positive 2. Let's see if we put this like this. So 2x plus 5 will become, you see, 2x plus 5. And 3x times, 2x times 5 times 5. See here? Positive, and 2x times a negative 2. So what you get here is 10x, and this one is negative 6x, which doesn't come to anything like 11x, so which is the combination is not 2, right? Okay, so what to do then? So maybe we try to reverse this to x up here. That is what you have to do, try and error. Keep trying in different combinations. So if you do like this, got different combination. Okay, this one is as not valid, cannot be used. So we try another one. Yes, down here. Okay, 3x plus 3x times 5. So the second try. Okay, that is what trying. Keep trying. 3x. Next one, 2x times negative 2. If we how do I find this one times this one, right? Positive 15. And now 2x times negative 2. What do you get for 2x times negative 2? You get a negative 4x. So combining this, 15x minus 4x. Yes, this is what we're looking for. 11x, which tally with the sum of root. This is what we call sum of root. It tallies with sum of root. I put S here. Yeah, tally with 11x. Meaning that the combination is correct. So you can choose from here then. This is going to be the right answer. So I use this blue one, yeah? Like this. So easily we can break it down here. X plus 5. The first row here, yeah, 2x. Here, 2x plus 5. Close bracket, and the one down here 3x minus 2. This is the answer. So if you expand this again using red, yeah, blue, green, yellow, that one that we learned before, two times this red, yeah, blue, see, third one is green and yellow, and we will get the same answer, and 6x squared plus 11x minus 10. That is all for today. Hope you keep practicing until you get the hang of it. And of course, in no time, you will be an expert in algebra. See you again from me, Cimat. Teacher Dewa. See you next. Bye.